Hey everyone, it's Josh from Kenworth of Richfield, and we've got another 30-second Thursday that's going to help keep you out on the road and avoid the DOT in the process. We've all been there. You're driving down the road and suddenly half the road goes dark. You've got a burned out headlight. Thankfully, Kenworth's engineered in a super easy way to replace that light. Once you pop the hood open, directly behind the headlight, in the inner fender, you're going to see a cover that's held on by a thumb screw. Undo that thumb screw and simply push on and slide the cover down. Behind that, you'll see the headlight. There's a cover on the back of the light itself that you simply need to give it a quarter turn counterclockwise. And there's the bulb. Lightly pull on the tab to disconnect the connector. Give the bulb a quarter turn counterclockwise. Out she comes. To put it all back together, it's just as simple as doing everything in reverse. This is another way that Kenworth's engineered something in to make sure that you can stay out on the road longer. To make sure that you stay up to date on all the 30-second Thursdays, make sure you subscribe to our channel below. Give us the thumbs up, and also, if there's something that you want to see described, let us know. We will talk to you guys soon.